Hey there, and welcome to Real Investment News. I'm Mike O'Neill. The markets are actually looking up before the opening bell. The Dow is looking to jump about 80 points as trading begins. Overseas, it's been a real mixed bag. The Shanghai and Hang Seng actually closed higher. The Nikkei was down by about 0.8 of a percentage point. In Europe, the markets in the UK, Germany, and France, they're all trading slightly lower today. But it is earnings season, and early this morning, GE came out to report that they actually missed on both the EPS and revenue, but its cash performance was better than expected. Let's take a look at it, see how they are doing right here. Now, they said that they have removed $1.7 billion in structural costs in 2017. That's more than the $1 billion that they were expected to do. And they aim to remove another $2 billion in 2018. Now, consider, this stock has actually lost 45% of its value since President Trump's election. So this news, even though they missed the estimates, the news about what's coming up is actually pretty good, and investors are actually liking it. As you can see, before the bell, it's actually trading much higher at $17.78 a share. Now, later this morning, we're going to be hearing about existing home sales and U.S. crude inventories. Now, yesterday, the American Petroleum Institute said there was a slight increase in those inventories, and we're going to get some confirmation later. But if that is true, it would be the first increase in about 2 months. And we need to talk briefly about Bitcoin. Prices are actually rebounding today. Now, remember, it was just last Wednesday when prices actually dropped below. Here's the weekly. You can see prices drop below the $10,000 mark. Now, you can see how volatile things have been since then. And right now, it is trading at $11,200. It's up about 3.5%. Now, this increase actually comes despite the fact that the online payments company Stripe has announced it is going to stop processing Bitcoin transactions in April. Now, Stripe works with more than 100,000 businesses around the world, and it says it is this volatility that makes it impractical for making and receiving payments. That's also the same reason that the gaming company Steam stopped taking Bitcoin in December. Now, we've heard a lot from investors who say Bitcoin is more of a trading asset than currency. Hopefully, the $10,000 is going to be the baseline, and maybe it'll build from there. We will have to keep watching. Hey, that is it for now. Thank you so very much for watching. We will have a lot more on the housing and oil inventories later, including an analysis of some of these earnings reports. Please remember to follow us on Facebook and Twitter and YouTube. Look at our past reports on realinvestmentnews.com. I'm Mike O'Neill, and we will see you after the opening bell.